My fortune has turned from its place, a thing I would rather not taste. And unless it soon mends at base, I'll be a lover, unloved and unchaste. For she drives me out of her air, the one who used to draw me there with my songs and my melodies' grace. And since my reason has failed me, if I would make a song to avail me, I need the aid of my wit's own strain, or else I shall not sing in pleasant vein. Lady, I bear no grudge or trace for any deed you may embrace. I'll keep such measure and good grace that I shall suffer all in peacefulness. For all the good you once did share, though it grieves me to declare that you give your own fair face the lie as long as you have breath. Yet I'd gladly forget to death that you ever failed by any bane, for that pain's more than the loss I sustain. And if it were by my own disgrace, lady, that I were so ill-placed, I swear by ALOT's men in lace, I should be a man in despair's distress. But I am a loyal lover fair. Then lady, what is your thought there? For never was a lady in any case so worthy that without fault's trace she should leave her lover after his service done with all his might, sincere as the sun. If she did, it became her ill in that space. Lady, if so your will turns base toward me, and you will not care how you might keep me in your grace, I'll trust no wheat flour from now, I swear, until I see the grain repair the stalk, so that joy and growth replace the ruin. A flower when it blooms fair, and fullest breaks for a trifle's snare, when it belies the semblance spun, so you undo the good that you had done. Yet my heart is assured in any place, lady, that you have not turned your face for another, nor for falsehood's race, but only because it pleased you thus to care. So the mending will be lighter there, and I am your lover, full of grace, joyous and loving beyond compare, though I have no healing anywhere without you, who are to me pleasure begun 100 times more than when we first begun. Slanderers, may God give you space, for by a certain lie you bear, you honor me and keep me hidden